Today we will prepare a delicious chanfainita and get to work. We light our kitchen, and in a pot we will add our chopped beef. Chopped, it doesn't matter, whole or chopped. We chop it so that it doesn't take too long to cook. And we add water, right? But only until the mouth is covered. Mint to flavor and give good flavor. A little bit of salt, and we will let it cook for at least 40 minutes. No, not at all. Only until the water is reduced. Then we will fry it. You'll see. Meanwhile, let's go get the other ingredients. We will chop the potato. And the potato, don't worry. Special effects, they always fail you. And we cut a little piece of the potato to have more stability. And we will chop that little piece small so that our chanfainita thickens. And cut the potatoes into slices, and then turn them into sticks, and cut them into squares, and so on with all the potatoes. We will also use half an onion, finely chopped into squares. Hurry up, the both is already drying. Let us go fast. Now you're leaving with a moonwalk like Fat Jackson, dancing, dancing. We remove the mint, but do not throw it away. Reduced all the water, we add oil. That's a secret, so that when you eat the beef it is not chewy. And do not cut quickly, and it will give you a taste. You will try it, and fry once they are golden brown. We remove and reserve in a container. They are well browned, but won't they be chewy? Not at all. We added onion, but it's already burned. No, not at all. The onion, it is collecting all the flavor that was left. We add garlic and liquefied pickle. We mix very well. We add panka chili, and we fry it very well, and add pepper. We add a little cumin, and we reincorporate our fried beef, and mix with all our dressing. And we add the potato with a lot of love, and we mix well so that it gets a good point. We add a little water or vegetable stock. We add salt. And we will proceed to cover. And on the lid we place a little oregano. Last 10 to 12 minutes. That's already good. And we touch the oregano. That was on the lid. We mix very well. Are you going to eat again? Those I said it all. And we finish with chopped mint, and let's go. And look how delicious that looks. With his dad, he is exquisite, accompanied by his parboiled nickname. It's very Peruvian court, in the inevitable Creole sauce. This way, or with its red noodles. Even with rice it is eaten. Tell me how you eat your chanfainita in the comments. If you like me, don't forget to share it. That helps us move forward.